Hello guys, welcome to the Venze Tech. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free dropshipping courses. Yeah, it's actually not free, it's paid for. So this course is entirely paid for. You can have access to it. So I give out courses like this. If you are new to my channel, you can don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can actually get access to free courses from digital marketing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, video editing, content creation, motion graphics, so on and so forth. Just list it. It's actually vast. So I'm actually going to leave the link in the description below, so you can download it on the description below. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is actually a dropshipping course. It's paid for. These are all the courses section: how to start up, how to set up your account, and so on with Shopify. So this is a Shopify dropshipping course: how to ship a product from AliExpress and the rest, and sell them on Facebook here. So everything is actually covered. All you need to know is here. So these are just the courses. If you want to download them, by default, if you click on this, you download the entire courses. Or better still, you can highlight, because I actually selected this one. If you can see this video, the first video is selected, is highlighted. So I'm going to press shift and select some certain videos, and if you observe down here, the size is actually increasing as I'm selecting. So that is it. You can just select everything, then you click on the download button to download it, or better still, you can stream them online individually. Let me deselect them, and I'm going to right click on this particular one. You can see play video, so you can actually watch them online without downloading them. And if you have enough time, like me, you want to consume it at your own stage, you can download them. So that is all for this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts about this video, or you can actually make a request for a particular course you have in mind, and if I have that courses, I'm going to drop them below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.